Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Regional telecommunications provider Digicel has sought the services of TalkPool to restore its mobile and fiber optic communications networks following the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa. The Category 5 storm made landfall on Jamaica on October 28, causing extensive damage to housing, water, electricity, telecommunications, and road infrastructure. TalkPool has been a trusted service partner of Digicel since 2006, with a history of supporting post-disaster network restoration. The company previously helped Digicel and other major operators such as AT&T rebuild their networks after numerous hurricanes and the 2010 Haiti earthquake. Corporate results continue to roll out in this earnings season for companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending August 31, 2025 reports year-end net profit of $787.01 million. Omni Industries Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending September 30, 2025 reports a 3% decrease in 9 months of net profit. Jetcon Corporation Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports 9 months net profit of $67.97 million. For the trading period ending November 12, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,436,981 units, representing 35.51% of market sales volume. Carreras Limited with 3,172,117 units, representing 20.72% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 932,345 units, representing 6.09% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 12, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $76.94 million purchased and US $55.06 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.50 per dollar, selling the US at $159.73 and buying the US at $161.23. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 59 cents per transaction, with selling at $115.53 and buying at $114.94. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.24 in profits, with selling at $212.36 and buying at $210.12. For our credit report tip of the day, life can hit fast storms, emergencies, income shocks. Your credit report is more than a number. It's your roadmap to recover smart and fast. Take action now. Pull your credit reports to see the full picture. Knowledge is power. Dispute errors. Mistakes slow your recovery, so correct them immediately. Now list your debts. Know what you owe and prioritize what matters most. Contact your creditors. Ask about relief programs, deferrals, or interest adjustments. Check available credit. Identify safe credit access points for urgent needs. Apply aid strategically. Use insurance, grants, or relief funds wisely. Plan payments smartly. Focus on high interest and critical debts first. Then set a recovery timeline. You're going to map out the 3, 6, and 12-month goal to rebuild steadily. And then you're going to monitor regularly. Catch errors or fraud early to stay on track. And then you're going to engage a professional. Credit counselors or financial coaching accelerate recovery safely. And then take this action step. Pull your credit report today and start your recovery plan. Every step forward counts. In our Funded and Focused feature, women, it's time to get funded and focused. Your credit is more than a number. It's your financial voice. It tells lenders, investors, and partners that you're ready to grow, expand, and make your vision a reality. Too often, women feel stuck, unsure, or worse, overlooked. But you can change that today. The Credit Readiness Snapshot gives you the clarity and confidence to understand your credit position and opportunities, identify obstacles keeping you from funding or growth, create an actionable roadmap to strengthen your credit profile, position yourself to confidently secure loans, grants, or investment capital, build the financial confidence to make bold business decisions and life decisions. Now just imagine walking into a funding conversation knowing exactly what your credit says about you and how it works for you. Imagine having a roadmap that turns your ideas into bankable assets. This is what being funded and focused looks like. Don't wait for the perfect time or the ideal circumstances. Every step you take toward financial clarity moves you closer to independence, influence, and impact. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.